Hello, today we'll be comparing Ninja PB051 pot and ground specialty single serve coffee maker versus Hamilton Beach 1 press programmable dispensing drip coffee maker with 12 cup internal brew pot. Be sure to watch to the end and I'll tell you which is better. Links to all the products and the description. Type of coffee, Ninja is better, brewing capacity, Hamilton Beach is better, programmability, it's type, brew, strange control, Ninja is better. Pot compatibility, Ninja is better, hot coffee brewing, Hamilton Beach is better. Specialty coffee brewing, Ninja is better, water reservoir, Hamilton Beach is better. Dispensing system, Hamilton Beach is better, heating speed, Ninja is better. Ease of use is Thai. Filter type, Ninja is better. Size and portability, Ninja is better. Cleaning, Ninja is better. Footprint design, Ninja is better. Build quality, it's Thai. Special features, Ninja is better. Price, Hamilton Beach is better. Who is best for Ninja is better. Coffee quality, Ninja is better. And durability, it's Thai. If you want to get the most powerful durable device that will really taste good making coffee, then the best choice will be the Ninja PB051 pot and ground specialty single serve coffee maker. The link to buy it is in the video description.